Okay, Chrisandra, your introduction is very technical and comes across more as a historical information. So how is this connected to the analysis, as your task is to give an analysis of the poem, not just merely information regarding the poem? So work on it, especially when it comes to the first paragraph. Okay, let's look at the second one. Okay, it's good that you have identified the two characters in the poem itself, but elaborate regarding the characters. Okay, and if possible, put in the quotes that was mentioned by Keats himself, so that as that's your evidence regarding the comments that you've made about the characters in this ballad. Okay, in your third paragraph, the good point is the contrast about the older characters and the younger characters. But what's Keats' purpose for creating this contrast of characters in the ballad? Does it move the story? Is it used as a contrast? Or what are the other purposes? You need to think a bit more. Okay? Okay. Okay, your fourth paragraph seems a bit disconnected with the rest, especially suddenly you're referring to the point about a further parallel. Nothing much has been mentioned earlier, so try your possible best to connect each paragraph, the ideas, not just telling me what you know, what is the poem about. You need to focus more on the poets or Keats' methods, and then how each stanza is related to the other stanza. Okay. Okay, you have a good point here about the way how Keats begins his ballad. You should have put in this point at the beginning of your analysis instead of towards the end. Then in that way, that is your point for setting, and later you can build up about the contrasts regarding the images of warmth towards the end of the poem. Okay, overall, for a poem that's 43 stanza, the analysis is too brief. Think of the other suggestion I gave in class, which is do divisions out of the 43 stanzas and analyze them division by division. Okay.